A lot of times we've received a query like, I have a certain condition and my application is getting rejected for other insurance plans. Is there any plan for me? And today we're back with an answer. Hello, my name is Kavya and today we will be discussing Care Freedom, the ultimate last resort plan. So without further ado, let's begin. Who is this plan for? As I said, this plan is for people who have complex ailments and they're not getting a plan anywhere else. So yes, this is a last resort plan of sorts. How is Care doing compared to others? Care's 3-year claim settlement ratio is 91%, which is less than HDFC but still up to the mark. Their 3-year ICR stands at 58%, which is well within our recommended range of 55 to 75%. This means that the company is earning in premiums but also giving out a good number of claims. Coming to network hospitals, Care has a network of around 9,400 hospitals and centers where you get cashless claims. Now, as you can see, it's not the highest but comparable to its competitors. Coming to the volume of complaints, Care has faced some backlash in this area. As you can see, the complaint volume is slightly high, but honestly, we work with Care every day and we haven't faced any issues as such. Before we move ahead, a little about Ditto. We're an insurance advisory platform built by FinShots, India's favorite new age newsletter. हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑनेस्ट और स्पैम फ्री एडवाइस अबाउट हेल्थ एंड टर्म इंश्योरेंस. We've helped over 3 lakh customers. पहले तो वी विल नेवर पुश यू टू बाय. आपको जितना टाइम लेना है आप लीजिए. एंड इफ यू डू चूज टू बाय फ्रॉम अस, वी विल गाइड यू थ्रू द एंटायर जर्नी एज वेल एज द क्लेम सेटलमेंट प्रोसेस. दिस वे यू कैन सिट बैक, take your time to weigh your options and buy when you want to buy. We are available on calls as well as WhatsApp, so talk to us at the link in description. Coming to Care Freedom's variants and cover options. It has two variants, Freedom 1 and Freedom 2. The adult entry age in 1 is from as young as 5 years to lifelong, but the cover is only 3 lakhs and 5 lakhs. But if you want cover up to 10 lakhs, you have to take Care Freedom 2, where the entry age for adults is 46 to lifelong. Eligibility criteria. Age, as we discussed, starts from 5 years and any PEDs, even severe ones, can be accepted. Coming to the basic features. This plan has room rent restrictions based on your cover amount. You can pause and read the details on your screen. If you're under 70, you'd have a 20% copay clause. As you turn 71, the copay increases to 30%. And there are some disease-wise sublimits as well. Pre- and post-hospitalization expenses are covered up to a certain limit only. However, the time range they consider pre and post is really good. Pre is from the date of issuance and post is 30 days past policy expiry. Daycare treatments are covered and domiciliary expenses are covered only up to 10% of the sum assured. Alternative treatments are not covered and only specific checkups are covered. Coming to restoration. Now, what is restoration exactly? Well, that's on your screen, so you can pause and see. Care Freedom offers 100% restoration, but you can use that only for different illness. Waiting periods. Now, the initial and specific illness waiting periods are standard, but their PD waiting period is 2 years, which is less than most health insurance plans with 3 to 4 years. However, in case your condition is too severe, they might exclude it permanently from covering. Here's the specific illness list. A standout feature of this plan would be consumable coverage, which covers the cost of consumables such as syringes, gloves, वगैरह, only if you're hospitalized for more than 3 days and up to 7 days. Apart from the features, they have some add-ons as well. For example, Care Shield, Care OPD, Health Checkup Plus, etc. You can pause and read the details on your screen. Meanwhile, how costly is this plan? Well, for a 30-year-old, a 5 lakh plan in Delhi would be around 7,500. For 2 adults, it's around 12,000, and for a family of 3, it would be around 15,000. Now, we called this plan a last resort for a reason. So let's look at the problems. Number 1, room rent restriction, which we usually don't recommend. The limits on domiciliary are also pretty tight. And for someone who is going for this plan, there is a high chance of them getting admitted at home. So that would be an issue. Plus, this plan has sublimits on various diseases. And they can permanently exclude your PED if it's too severe, which means all hospitalizations related to that PED will not be covered. Lastly, there is a 2-year waiting period for cancer, even if it is diagnosed after you purchase the plan. Hence, as you can see, this plan is not that great. So what does Ditto recommend? See, if you have no other option, then you can take this plan. You might get some protection against some illnesses. But if possible, you can consider being part of a corporate plan, can be your kids or spouses or your own. At least you will have some cover. Otherwise, some banks may offer group insurance policies which might offer some relief. Coming to whether Care Freedom is worth the money. Given that you really don't have a choice, the plan offers decent features at low premiums, so yeah, it's okay. To know more or find the plan that's best for you, you can talk to Ditto's IRDAI certified insurance advisors for free. I promise that you won't be spammed or forced to buy. Talk to us at the link in description. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Happy insurance hunting.